In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use strips and columns in Wix to create a structured, responsive layout. By the end, you'll know how to add a strip, organize your content with columns, manage elements with the Layers panel, customize the look and feel, and preview your design so it looks great on any device. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening your site in the Wix editor. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the editor for the Add Elements button with a plus icon. This is your toolbox for building out new sections and components on your page. Next, add a strip from the Add Elements panel. A strip is a horizontal section that spans the full width of the page and acts like a layout shelf for your content. It keeps things aligned and consistent across different screen sizes. Choose a strip template that matches your design goals. Options like services, hero, or features are great starting points. Click to add it to your page, then drag it to the position you want. Think of strips as the structural layers that organize your site into clear, scannable sections. To keep your workspace tidy, open the Layers panel from the left-hand toolbar. The Layers panel lists every element on the page, so you can easily select and move your strip without accidentally clicking something else. It's especially helpful as your design becomes more complex. With your strip selected, look for the column options, or choose a column-ready strip template. Column split your strip vertically, such as into 2 or 3 sections. This is perfect for placing text next to an image, arranging a list of features side by side, or showcasing services or products in a grid-like layout. Columns help your content feel balanced and easy to scan. Now customize the strip and its columns. Click any text to replace it with your own copy and update colors and fonts to match your brand. Adjust the strip background to a solid color, gradient, or an image or video for extra impact. Resize or reorder columns to keep the layout clean. Aim for consistent spacing, clear headings, and strong contrast so everything stays legible on both desktop and mobile. When you're ready, click Preview in the top right to open the preview window. Check how your columns stack on mobile and make sure text and images remain legible and well spaced. If anything looks cramped or misaligned, return to the editor and make